Okay, so we're gonna be making pasta. I'll show you how to. First, you need flour, oil. I'm using pasta oil because it's pasta, and noodles. I just found these noodles, so they're easy. You also need a bowl and a mixing tool. First, we need to put in the noodles. Here's the noodles. Next, you're gonna need water. I'm just using tap water, so I filled my water about the top of them, like right under it. Next, you're gonna need your flour. You're gonna need about this much flour. It looks like that so far. Next, you're gonna mix it some. This is optional. If you want, you can add some milk to have more flavor. This is what it looks like. You're gonna need to mix it some more. Next, we go put it in our microwave. We're gonna put it in here for a minute. More water and more flour. Mix. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Hot. It will turn a little white from the flour. That's good. Mix. Add more flour, and then you're gonna do one more batch for 30 seconds. Mix. Mix until the flour is all dissolved. Almost. It can be like this, although it's clumpy on my fork. It's good. Now we go put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Something like this. The noodles are mushy now. Now we gotta drain it. You can drain it with your tool or your fork. First, set this in the sink somewhere, like so. Grab your noodles. You just sit it in here and then pour it. Pour in some oil.